live in Edinburgh and I grew up on the mean streets of Glasgow. One way to describe what I do for a living is that I'm a social change agent. So when I meet people for the first time, I might shake them by the hand and say, hello, I'm head of co-design and social value at a community interest company. I know, no one knows what this means, which makes it a very good cover, because I'm not just a social change agent, I'm actually a social change secret agent. What do us social change secret agents like to do? Well, we gather intelligence on post-it notes. Have you noticed why nowadays you have to write so many post-it notes when you go to co-design workshops? That's us. We also like to create sophisticated intelligence gathering systems by making as many apps as possible. Have you noticed there's an app for everything these days? That's us too. And as well as my apps and my post-it notes, I like to quietly stir the revolution in cocktail bars.
Nice.
Cocktail bars? Well, I am the 007. I know it's hard to tell, but if you pay closer attention, you might just notice my sexy Scottish accent. That's an easy one. How about my ultra-masculine physique? No, you're dead right. That's no longer a requirement for the secret agents. Or how about my super modern high-tech technology? Hey Siri. What's new in social change these days? Well, my algorithms have computed that crime in this area is up 30%, and teenage pregnancy is also up 30%, and women are allowed to wear pajamas in public. Yeah, she's allowed one slightly less serious fact. Siri is my cue. Yes, I know. I know why I couldn't remember. I've got some very top secret intelligence. The thing is, you probably haven't noticed this, but people go about creating social change in all sorts of different ways. So, in fact, you can tell how people do it by the newspaper that they read. I know. So, Guardian readers, they like to write lots of post-it notes at our co-design workshops. And Daily Mail readers, well, they avoid our workshops like the plague, but they do like to go down the pub and have a good rant about diversity. You know what I'm saying? And Telegraph readers, well, they do something else. What should Telegraph readers do?
Nanny, something about their nanny.
Oh yes, thank you. They like to give their nanny a pay rise every 7 years. Did I do the bit about the? Did I do the bit about the government I work for? No. The government I work for.
Scottish.
Oh no, I mean I was going to say guess which one, but yeah. The government I work for, guess which one, thinks that society only ever changes for the worse, but I don't agree. A woman went into a bar. She bought her own drink. And there wasn't a plastic straw in sight. Change, positive change is all around us. So you have to be the change, of course, but you don't need to collect your change when you're buying your drink. Beep. Now for another top secret. So, social change only actually happens when you bring these diverse newspaper readers together. So think about it, the 3 newspaper readers I told you about, they never currently meet. So, a Guardian reader goes into a bar and they say, greetings barman with a beard, tattoos and 2 master's degrees. your finest craft beer, please. A telegraph reader goes into the same bar. On the way out, they turn to their partner. Are we missing something? Yes, darling, the children. Where's that nanny when you need them? Oh yeah, that's right, they're off spending their pay rise. A Daily Mail reader goes into a bar. What has gone on? I thought they were doing a refurbishment. Where's my boozer gone? So, how are we going to bring these diverse groups together? What's the secret thing that MI5's been working on? What's Q been doing to bring these newspaper readers out from behind their various newspapers? So, it is in fact the social change martini. Now, I like a drink as much as the next agent, but this has required a little bit of debugging. See if you can figure out where we went wrong. So, Q thought, instead of gin, let's have some Carlsberg for the Daily Mail readers. And instead of vermouth, Q thought, let's have some Dom Perignon for the Telegraph readers. And for the garnish, an olive. No, not just an olive, a sun-ripened, hand-picked, single origin olive for the Guardian readers. Mix it all together, so stir gently, obviously, and serve. And what happened? Can you imagine what happened in our first testing? Yeah, that's right, absolutely disgusting. Instead of bringing people together, it drove everybody away. It repelled everybody. So, what was the real bug behind this? What led to this fault? Yep, you've spotted it. Lack of user engagement in design process. So for our next iteration, we invited these 3 newspaper readers to our co-design workshop, and we asked them to bring their favourite drink. So the the Daily Mail readers, they brought tea. Tea, yeah, I know. And the Daily Mail readers, well, they brought tea too. And the Guardian readers? Yeah, you're right, they brought tea, but not just any kind of tea. They brought fine tip Himalayan, air-dried tea. So there you have it, all that sophisticated intelligence, and all we really needed to bring people together was a good cup of tea. I can't tell you what my next mission is. It's too top secret to mention, but let's just say before too long, we may well be all going on an app to find somewhere to drink a nice cup of tea together, taking on Starbucks. So now you know what the head of co-design and social value at a community interest company does. Thank you and good night.